Jai Swaminarayan. We are solving third story sum, right? So let's start. Rohit and Kamal are playing in a room which is 5.5 meter long and 3.5 meter in breadth. What is the area of room? So we have to calculate the area of room. So what is the shape of the room? It is length and breadth, that is in rectangular form. So area of room is equal to area of rectangle, that is length into breadth. So what is the length? 5.5 multiplied by 3.5. So multiply, if we multiply we get 19.25 meter square. So I have not shown here shown you the multiplication, because so many times we have do such type of multiplication of decimals, right now. Okay, if you want you can roughly multiply it, right? Okay, so fourth example I have given you homework, so let's read it. The park, a square park has a length 100 meter. What is the perimeter of park and what is the area of park? First of all, calculate the perimeter. So perimeter of park is equal to, park is in square, so perimeter of park is equal to 4 into side, that is 4 multiplied by 100, that is 400 meter. Then area of park is equal to side into side, that is 100 into 100. So you have to calculate now. Okay, so let's start the fifth example. A picture is 1.5 meter long and 50 centimeter broad. What is the length of the wooden frame needed for framing the pictures? What is the area of the glass required to cover the picture frame? So this is the diagram. Okay, so its length is 1.2 meter and it is in 50 centimeter. Always remember, you have to always observe the units, they should be in same, that is if it is in meter, so meter is in centimeter, so it should be in centimeter. Okay, so let's convert into meters. First we have to convert this both in same unit. So length is 1.2 meter. Let's convert b. B is equal to 50 centimeter is equal to 50 upon 100, that is 0.5 meter. Get it? So the length of wooden frame needed for forming the picture is equal to the wooden frame. Suppose this is our picture. Okay, the wooden frame required is it's on the length and breadth. Okay, this is our length and this is also length, and this is the breadth and this is also breadth. That means we have to calculate the perimeter of frame. Okay, if we want to show in this figure, so see here, the frame should be on such a border, and total border means perimeter, right now. So perimeter of frame is equal to perimeter of rectangle, and so perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. 2 multiplied by 1.2 length and breadth 0.5, so it is 1.7. So 2 multiplied by 1.7 we get 3.4 meter. Okay, now next, the area of the glass required to cover the picture in the frame means we have to calculate the area of rectangle. So area is equal to length into breadth, that is 1.5 multiplied by 0.5, we get 0.60 meter square. Get it? Perimeter is in meter and area is in square meter. Okay, fine, we'll start the next example. What is the area of square park whose side is 150 meter? Find the total cost of planting grass in it at rupees 10 rupees per meter square. So area of park is equal to side into side. So what is side here? 150. So 150 into 150 we get 22,500 square meter. Okay, so this is the area, so we have to calculate now the cost. Okay, so cost is equal to area multiplied by rate. So what is the rate? 10 rupees. 22,000 500 multiplied by 10, we get 2,25,000 rupees. Okay? Understand everyone? Fine. Let's start the seventh example. What is the area of the rectangular garden whose length is 50 meter and breadth is 30.5 meter? If the cost of manuring the garden is rupees 6.50 meter square meter, find the total cost of manuring the garden. So, area of rectangular garden is equal to length into breadth. So, what is the length? 50, and what is the breadth? 30.5. So, if we multiply, we get 1525 square meter. Okay. Now, total cost is equal to area multiplied by rate. So, what is the area? 1525, and what is the rate? 6.50. So, what will we get? Total cost 9912.5. See here, I have done the multiplication in rough. I have not shown here. Okay, it is not that you have to write answer. You have to multiply it and check your answers. Get it? Fine. Next example. A hall is paved with 1 square meter tiles. If the length and the breadth of the hall are 50 meter and 10 meter, how many tiles are needed? If each tile costs rupees 15.50, find the cost of tiling. Now this is a little bit lengthy question. First of all, we understand the question. A hall is paved with 1 square meter tiles. There is a hall, that means total long rectangle is there, and it is filled with the square meter tiles. Okay. If we want to calculate the number of tiles, then first of all you have to calculate the area of small tile. Okay. Then total area, and if we divide total area by area of tile, we get number of tiles. Fine. So there are 3 steps. First, we have to calculate area of one tile. Second step, we have to calculate total area, that means area of hall. And third step, we have to divide total area by area of one tile. Clear? So let's start. Area of one tile is equal to is it in square. So tile is in square. Fine. So area is equal to side into side, L into L. So what is L given here? 1. So 1 into 1 we get 1 meter square. Okay. Now area of hall is equal to. So hall is length into breadth. So what is the length? 50. And what is the breadth? 10. 50 into 10 we get 150 meter square. Now number of tiles is equal to area of hall, 150 upon 1, that is we get 150 tiles. We need 150 tiles. Now cost of tiling is equal to number of tiles multiplied by rate of tiles. So 150 multiplied by 15.50, we get 2325 rupees. Okay. Fine. We will see the ninth example. The base of rectangular tank is 21.5 meter long and 10 meter broad. Find the cost of painting of the base of the tank if the cost of painting is rupees 2.50 per meter square. Now here area of base is in rectangular form, right? So first we have to calculate the area of base, that is area of base of the rectangular tank. So see here L into B, that is 21.5 multiplied by 10, we get 215 meter square. Okay. So this is the area of base of the rectangular tank. Now this is the area we have to paint. But what is the rate? the total cost for painting is equal